Someone recently approached me with a thought-provoking question.
Gino, have you ever wondered why Jewish identity seems to transcend physical characteristics and ethnic boundaries, whereas other faiths like Christianity and Islam often have identities tied to specific ethnic or cultural groups? What's the secret behind this unique aspect of Jewish identity? And how does this impact our understanding of unity and legacy? And can we apply this understanding to foster greater unity among our people?
That's a legitimate question. Let's talk about that. But first,
if you enjoy my content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, comment on my videos, click the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for your support, and please enjoy.
in the meantime, I'm Gino DiCaprio, and I welcome you once again to my page, where every time we just dive into unexpected topics. With that in mind, let's return to the topic at hand. I live my Jewish identity every day, every minute, every moment. I'm deeply grateful that our identity isn't defined by physical traits like skin color, hair texture, or other characteristics, but by our shared heritage, traditions, and values. From curly to straight, dark to light, and every shade in between, our diversity forms a beautiful tapestry. As a people, we originated from 12 distinct tribes, yet we stand united as one. Our differences are our strength. When examining other faiths, such as Christianity and Islam, we see key differences in how identity is formed. Christianity encompasses people of various ethnic and cultural backgrounds: Black Christians in America and around the world, white Christians, Italian Christians, Greek Christians, and many more. Even though they share the same faith, they are often perceived as separate groups based on ethnicity or nationality. Similarly, Islamic history shows that many of their ancestors either converted to Islam or were forced into the faith over generations. Islam, like Christianity, is a belief system that transcends DNA or ethnic boundaries. For instance, not all Muslims are of Arab descent, just as not all Arabs are Muslim. This distinction contrasts with the Jewish people, who have maintained a unified identity despite being spread across diverse regions. As Jewish people, we should strive to reinforce this unity by embracing our collective identity and moving away from labels that separate us, such as Ethiopian Jews, Black Jews, Ashkenazi Jews, and others. These labels, influenced by Western perspectives, often emphasize division rather than our shared heritage. Instead, we should simply identify as Jewish, honoring our traditions and values while recognizing the tribes we descend from. By doing so, we can strengthen our unity and celebrate the enduring legacy of our people as one. How can we apply this understanding of unity and legacy to our own lives and communities?
Encouraging critical exploration.
Embark on your own journey of discovery, remembering to stay open-minded, even when findings challenge existing beliefs. To seek unbiased sources, broadening your understanding. To avoid confirmation bias, considering diverse perspectives. Through self-directed research, you'll deepen your knowledge, fostering a more inclusive worldview.
Creating these videos is my passion, but it takes resources to keep going. If you'd like to support financially, it would help improve the content and grow the project. I'm also looking for volunteers to join me, whether by filming, collaborating, or contributing ideas. If this project ever becomes profitable, I ensure everyone involved shares in its success. With your permission, I'd love to thank you publicly for your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.